If you visit Japan and sit down for a bowl of ramen, you'll likely hear a loud slurp. And it's not just noise. In Japan, making that sound while eating hot noodles is part of the experience. When the noodles and broth are piping hot, a quick slurp helps cool them slightly, so you can enjoy them right away. Slurping also mixes air with the broth and noodles, enhancing the aroma and flavor. And in many noodle shops, that sound signals enjoyment and respect for the person who made the meal. So next time you sit down for ramen in Japan, don't be shy about the noise. It's not just tolerated, it's celebrated. Follow Yoru Secrets for more hidden stories behind Japan's traditions.